Welcome back to the Belize vlog. Today is Saturday,
The 27th.
January 27th, 2024. So we had our breakfast downstairs like we always do, and we chatted for probably like an hour after breakfast today. We were a chatty bunch.
It was good.
Plus we didn't have anything pressing right there right off the bat. So that was nice.
But when I came back, I went to a Chinese to buy something, and I saw her and I gave her something.
Give her something?
Show her love, you know.
So we ended up taking Grandma and Grandpa for a drive to Consejo Shores, which is like probably 10 miles north. If you look on a map, it's kind of one of the last towns before Chatamall. So it's very close to the border. Kind of a sleepy town. Maybe like 100 people, if even that. So they have a little like park that we went to. But before we even got there, I decided to drone some of the drive going to Consejo.
It was pretty cool.
And it was a cool drive, and it was very forested. Anyway, went to the Shores Park, which the park is like a one-lane road, kind of off the main road in town. And then there's like a little rundown swing set from like 1999, and a little sign that's like, I think the acronym was PACT, preserve something, something, something. I don't know. Something like saying it's protected land, and there was this map of different species that were in the area. Information about it, the land. But it looked very familiar. That park looked really familiar. And I'm pretty sure in like 2003 we went out there and went swimming for a little bit as kids. So anyways, we were just hanging out at the park for a little bit. Johnny was doing some fun stuff with his DJI, doing some time lapses, doing some long exposures. Mm-hmm. Dog snuck up on him. And then again, I was flying the drone, and I didn't account for how much wind was going on, and I plowed that sucker right into a tree. So I busted a couple of propellers, and the gimbal stabilizer thing for the camera, the little rubber boot that holds in the camera, I broke that. So.
Oh, yeah. It's definitely done.
It's done.
Well, no, the rubber piece is toast, because you can see there's still bits that are, it's not shaped funny.
Little ghetto surgery on it, and it does okay. So I think it'll last the rest of the trip. I was mad at myself. It was windy. I just didn't account for how windy it was, so I pulled back the throttle, but it wasn't quick enough. Did we do anything else in Consejo? I don't think so.
We just drove back.
Drove back, stopped at the store, picked up a couple of things, got some Ideals. Those are amazing. We got chocolate this time. I rarely see chocolate, so that was kind of a treat. Johnny, was it your first time with Ideals?
It was very, very good.
And how would you describe it?
I would describe it as like a frozen ice cream slushie in a plastic bag.
There you go.
That you
It's a good
eat
descriptor.
it out of.
Yeah. Just bite off a corner and drink it, eat it, whatever. Yeah, it's good. The Mennonites make that stuff. Most of them are made by this company, Western Dairy. I'm pretty sure that's Mennonite. Yep, so got our Ideals. Then we came back to the house, and Grandma and Grandpa stayed here. Dad went and met up with Cruz. And Cruz is a childhood friend of yours.
Got to meet Cruz. Hadn't seen him in 44 years. He looks good. And he was happy to see me. And we just chatted for a little bit and got caught up. And he's permanently moved back to Belize on a little piece of land up in Santa Rita area.
So then we walked to Clifford's house from there. And Clifford, we planned on going there for his wife Rosa was making relleno for us, which is like black soup, black Ricardo soup. And that was delicious. We were hanging out for a little bit.
It was very good.
And then we got invited inside for the soup.
I have some rice left. Do you want some rice?
Sure. Rice is no calorie.
When you add rice, it takes out the calories.
And that was, Johnny kind of got some of the inside scoop on how to make, or how to use black Ricardo at least.
I didn't know what it was. It looked like this black paste almost, but I looked it up, and it's a bunch of seasonings and some sort of liquid, either water, vinegar, or the black Ricardo uses sour orange juice, and then it makes a paste, and then they rub that on the meat or just put it in the soup. It was very good.
So it was good for me. It was pork this time. Sometimes it's chicken, sometimes it's pork, depending on preference. Pork was great. There were pig feet.
Pig feet is good.
In the soup, which
was good.
It was good.
It was good.
Flavor was there. I don't love the texture. And at first he told me it was dog, which was just cruel.
That's just
Because I froze in my tracks for half a second. And then he's like, no, it's pig's feet, which was
made him feel
an
better.
improvement, but not where I wanted to be still. So it was okay. I still ate it. It was good. Don't know that I'd do that again. But super hospitable. Rosa has spoiled us multiple times now that we've gone there. So we ended up chatting with her for quite a while. Got to connect with her and find out more about her story and some of her background, and that was nice. Yep. And then one of the granddaughters, Chloe, who we met last year, she was being harassed by the rooster, the big daddy rooster that they had last year. Rosa came out and was poking the rooster at her, and she was all scared. It was hilarious.
We have a fun. We're going to Yes. Yeah. Hohiniem? What? Hohiniem? No hohiniem? Right naman. Send me hohiniem.
This year, she's a little firecracker 3-year-old, and she wants to just catch the chickens. So we were in the back with her catching chickens for half an hour, probably.
At least.
So Johnny bet me $10 I couldn't catch a chicken. And I picked up 2.
Yeah, I recently.
But they were pretty used to humans, you could tell.
Yeah, I thought they were going to be more skittish.
Yeah. So they didn't like to be picked up, but it wasn't impossible to grab them. But yeah, Chloe's hilarious. There's some clips in there that I'll splice in where she's just hilarious.
Okay.
Nice.
Well, you got a visitor.
Kecha! Ikan to you, Kecha! Ikan to you! Kecha! Yeah, sine! Ooh la la! You coward! They want to eat you now. He said, let's eat that black girl. Masaya ka panis ko. Sorry. What color are you? You gray? Okay then. I only know one person gray, but you are gray too, okay. You look good. You look just like the chicken.
I told you I'm not a chicken.
And then we also saw a video of the daughter killing a chicken. She's like, check it out. This is how I murdered it.
See you later. There you go. Holy crap, man.
Oh my gosh.
You know who wanted to see that?
That wasn't the chicken we ate.
No.
It was another chicken.
No. But poor thing. 1 second its head is on and the next it's not.
Circle of life.
But it's quick. So yeah, hung out with them for probably 3 hours. We took off and connected back with Grandma and Grandpa here, and then we were talking about maybe taking them to food, but then they were like, yeah, we're not really that hungry, so they just wanted to go to they have a wake tonight for some local man that they knew that died recently. 96-year-old dude that got hit by a car like a month ago. I mean, 96 years is a long time, so there's a lot of life in there, but the circumstances for his death were unfortunate. slightly still hear the wake going on in the background here. So they've been going for a while. They've been out there like 2 hours at least.
Yep.
So anyway, just more community that we see popping up left and right. Somebody dies and half the town is on this street over here singing songs and eating food and just getting together. So that's cool. But yeah, now we're just hanging out, getting ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a little bit earlier. We are going to breakfast and then church and then Louisville and God knows what else. No idea. But
It's gonna be packed.
yeah, it's gonna be busy. We'll end it here then. See you tomorrow.
Welcome to your daily pill camera update, everyone. We're over here at Clifford's house and we're looking at these chickens. Did you ever stop to think that chickens are a direct descendant of dinosaurs? Yeah, I thought about that today. Anyway, this is your daily installment of Pill Camera. See you guys.
Mister.
Listen to it up.